Hi there, Creative Sarah here, and today we're doing another Dollar Tree DIY with a mason jar, some chalk paint, a few wooden hearts, as well as some jute and some distress ink. So let's get started. First, we're going to paint the outside of our mason jar. I just did one quick coat all around the mason jar, real kind of lightly, didn't have to do a full coverage. This is going to be like really cute for a candy jar, you guys, especially for Valentine's. I went ahead and added a little distress ink on there, and then I kind of buffed it in with a rag. Next, I'm going to paint my wooden hearts. These came in a bag of like 25 at Dollar Tree. And I punched just a hole in the one, and I'm going to sand off the edges. Then I'm going to add a little bit of distress ink again, and then I'm going to glue these together to make a cute stacked heart. So just the large, the medium, and then the small on top. Hot glue those together. I'm going to wrap the jute around the bottom because you could always put the lid back on this jar. Hey, if you have not joined my DIY and crafting group, go ahead and comment VIP, and I will send you the link. Thank you so much for watching. Like and follow for more decor.